Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I'm back today with another No Gadget Needed card, and today we are making this really cute gatefold card. There's the front, and then you open up, and then you have the inside as well. Super simple to make, and all you need is some cardstock and some paper. So the base of the card is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score this at 2 1/8 on each end. Take your bone folder and give it a nice crease so it lays flat. So again, that was 2 1/8 on each end, and that creates the card front. All right, then we have our pattern paper. I do have these numbered. This way I can put them on the same direction. So I have 1 and 2. This way they'll line up when I put them like this. And these measure 1 7/8 by 5 1/4, and you're going to need 4 of them. All right, take my ATG gun. And this is just paper that we picked up at Walmart. Sitting on one side, getting it even. And then I'm going to fold it up and then put the other one on so I can make sure it lines up with the other one. Okay, and this one's going to go right there on the front. Get rid of the extra glue I have there. And then we have the inside pieces. For these little pieces right there on the inside. I'm not going to worry about these ones lining up because they're so far apart. And you don't have to put anything on the inside. I just like having something here because the card, when it's open, it's so large. I think you need something on the side. I think my ATG thing needs oil. Alright, this one's going to go right here. Alright, then we have the inside piece, which is 4 by 5 1/4, and then we have the outside piece, which I forgot to get. Let me go ahead and grab them. Just getting a piece of cardstock. Okay, so for the front of the card, sorry about that guys, I thought I had everything out. Alright, not big enough. There we go. Okay, for the front of the card, this square here, this measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. 3 1/4. Then we have the white piece that goes on top of that, and that one is 3 by 3. Okay, I can set all that aside. Sorry about that. All right. So we have the front piece, and I'm using one of May's stamps. It's called Feathers. We're going to be using that bird along with this saying that says "You are a blessing." I'm going to stamp that in the same color. This is Stampin' Up! Calypso Coral. So I'm stamping up the bird in that color. Just stamp it on the white. Alright, and then with the gray, I'm stamping the greeting. Again, this says "You are a blessing." Okay, so there's that. On the inside, if you see here, I did stamp a little feather. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that. Again, that was with that gray color, just in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, now we can go ahead and put all our pieces together. Alright, so we have the white piece for the inside. I want to get it even with the other guys there. Alright, that is done. Now this piece, you only want to put glue on 1/2 of it. We're going to stick it to the left-hand side. Just put glue on 1/2. Just eyeball it. Doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. And before I attach it, I'm going to close the card and just hold down the piece that's not glued to make sure I'm in the middle and straight. Okay. Whoops. Hang on, we just lost. Okay. Are you guys still there? Yeah, sorry about that. Our power went out. We're getting a really bad storm right now, and the power just flickered. Real life moment. All right, now I'm looking for my glue dots. I went and smudged my bird, so I'm gonna flip him over and stamp the other side. It got really, really dark in this room. Kind of scary. All right, so I'm stamping again because I did smudge it. Let me grab my greeting again. All right. So there we go. That is done. I don't know how I smudged it, but I did. Leave it to me, right? All right, take your little foam squares. All right, and give all that a little squish. I'm going to pick it up very carefully, and I don't want to smudge it again. Take the backing off. Okay, and put this on there. So really, really simple card. And the only thing you need is a paper trimmer, a little bit of adhesive, and some paper and cardstock. Hopefully you can see the card there. So there's the front. Oh, there we go. See how I like how the paper here fills that up. You can of course put one here if you want to as well. I don't think you need anything there though. And plenty of room to write your greeting. So there you have it, my friends. Super easy, no gadget needed gatefold card. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.